Hi guys, welcome to Lancaster Automart. Here we are at our site. My name's Danny, along with our partners at Lancaster Volkswagen. And we have for you 2019 Vauxhall Corsa SRI. It's the VX line, Nav Black Edition, 1.4 petrol, 6-speed manual, one previous owner. Great colour red with the black alloys, black wing mirrors and the black corded roof. Privacy glass on the back. So if there's anything particular you want to know about this car, feel free to contact us, email us, give us a phone call, or pop in and see us. We'll answer any questions you might have about the car. Have a quick look inside. So it's black cloth with red and white stitching. So again, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to contact us, give us a call, send us an email, contact us online, or pop down and see us. You can get the keys and take them for a test drive. It's not a problem. Or we can do a personal walk around video for you. So if there's anything specific you want us to highlight, just let us know and we can do that for you. That's not a problem. Cheers guys.